Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to fix Mobile Legends no sound problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings, then scroll down to the apps section, and then go to the search and search Mobile Legends. Then go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked, and if it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or turn the Wi-Fi off and on, or the Bluetooth or the airplane mode. Also, you can try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all this application's data will be deleted. This includes all files, the settings, the accounts, the databases, etc. So be careful if you want to clear your data. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.